Today, we're diving into the rich and vibrant flavors of Egypt with a simple calamari recipe. This is a journey of taste and tradition, so buckle up as we explore this culinary adventure. Imagine 1 pound of fresh calamari, cleaned and tubes sliced into rings, ready to take on the flavors we're about to introduce. For the coating, we're going to create a flavorful mix. In a bowl, combine a cup of chickpea flour, a teaspoon each of ground cumin, coriander, paprika, and garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and season with salt and pepper to taste. This blend of spices is a nod to the aromatic and spicy Egyptian cuisine. Now, take those calamari rings and coat them in the chickpea flour mixture. Make sure every ring is evenly covered, capturing all the flavors in every bite. Next, heat your vegetable oil in a deep fryer or a large deep pan until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop the coated calamari rings into the hot oil in batches, frying until they turn a beautiful golden brown and crispy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Remember, overcrowding the pan can drop the oil temperature and make your calamari soggy, so give each ring some space to crisp up. Once they're done, use a slotted spoon to transfer the fried calamari to a plate lined with paper towels. This will absorb any excess oil, keeping the calamari light and crispy. While the calamari cools, let's whip up a quick dipping sauce. In a small bowl, mix together half a cup of plain yogurt, a tablespoon of tahini, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 minced garlic clove, and season with salt and pepper. This creamy, tangy sauce complements the crispy calamari perfectly. Now it's time to plate up. Serve the crispy calamari rings garnished with fresh cilantro leaves, and don't forget the lemon wedges and tahini yogurt dipping sauce on the side. There you have it, a simple, delicious, and undeniably Egyptian-inspired calamari dish. The spice blend, the chickpea flour, and the tahini dipping sauce all lend themselves to creating an authentic culinary experience. Now it's your turn to try this recipe. Don't be shy to tweak it, make it your own, and share your experiences in the comments. Cooking is an art after all, and every artist has their own style. Enjoy creating and sharing this Egyptian-inspired calamari recipe. Bon appetit!